Osita.
I'm sorry now. Don't raise your voice. Calm down, please. See, this visit is just temporary. It was the decision we arrived at. We said it was the best for us. Hey, thank you, my brother. We said it was the best for us. It's a temporary visit. We'll soon go back to the city and live our lives as we used to live it. Please.
Just listen to yourself, Osita. Listen to yourself. If we're here to even stay as a short visit, I will even understand it. That's even the thought that's making my head go crazy. Osita, where are your village people? Where are your village people? Osita, you just come out. I am tired.
Sweet, it's okay now. So, see, let me help you. Come, let me help you with your bag. Let me help you. See,
I'm tired. Osita, where's your compound?
My compound is not far. See, look. That big tree, you see that very big tree there. That's my compound now. Look at it there. Before 30 minutes, we'll be there. Let's go. Let's be going.
What did you say? 30 minutes?
Yes.
Hey!
What? Oh. Come now.
You have killed me. Please stop taking these caffeinated drinks and beverages. Osita, look at where you have landed me. Oh. Look at where you have landed me, Osita.
I'm sorry.
Hey!
It's okay. Don't shout now. Sweet. I greet you. What is it? This is someone's compound now. This is someone's compound. Let's be going. It's not far again. It won't even see 28 minutes or so. I'm not saying 30 minutes, not 30 minutes. It's just down there. Let's be looking at the tree and be going. It's not far. I'm sorry, my people.
You know I didn't mean to act the way I did yesterday. It was out of frustration. I didn't mean it. And the thought of we're going to be staying in this village permanently, not even temporary. To top it up, we're broke.
I was wondering what came over you, actually. Besides, that was the second time you are blaming me for my medical condition.
I know, you're right. But what do we have left? 3,000 naira. After we do the 50,000 naira that we used in coming back to this village, we don't have anything left.
See, I know that we are broke. You don't need to rub it in. All this drama is just unnecessary.
Usita, but I've always told you this. If only you had listened to me and abstained from excessive coffee, beverages, and alcohol. Because of your medical condition, now it has left us bankrupt. We have nothing. We're poor.
And I have said it's all my fault. And I'm sorry. I'm not denying it.
I believe you. I'm sorry. I promise it's never going to happen again. Forgive me.
Well, it's okay. Anyways, it's already morning. We should go for our morning jog. Alright? Just get dressed. I'll change it to my jogging wear. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am.
It's fast. Right? Yeah, it's very fast.
What? Oh my God. Hey, what do I do now? Somebody help! Somebody help! Hey, God! Get him up! Get him up! Get him up!
We've seen how much this pest has eaten up almost all the farmlands in this village. You know, so our next visit will just go straight to pest eradication.
Oh, okay.
But then we have to get to the village boundary to measure the farm area. Okay. Because this is a very serious matter. This pest has eaten up almost area. Excuse me. I know you, but I just can't place the face.
I think so too.
The plateau copper.
Ah. Oh my God.
Kainene.
Gozie.
How are you?
I'm fine. Thank God. And you?
I'm okay. Are you from Utocha? Because this is my village.
No. My husband is.
Oh.
We came here yesterday.
Pardon my manners. Meet my friend and colleague. Louis. Kainene. She was my paddy copper back then in Plateau State. The babe don't think we should find.
Was it, please?
Oh, nice to meet you, Kainene. Yeah. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, same here. So, please stop. Are you on a village tour?
Oh, well, you can say that again. You know, there's this serious famine in this village. Pest has eaten up almost all the farmlands. So we've been trying to see how we can avert further dangers, you know. As a matter of fact, we're already doing investigations. So once we have enough money, we'll start pest control and fumigation.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, because we intend to have our fertile land back in this town, in this village, and have our harvest very full again.
It will come.
I hope so.
Trust me too.
So I'll be around for another 1 week because of my mom. How long are you here for?
I don't know.
That sounds good. It means we have enough time to catch up then.
Okay, we'll catch up some other time.
My brother is not in this house. Where is he?
He's at Nurse's Onana's place. He fainted.
Ewo. What are you doing to my brother? What did you do to him?
Get your hands off me.
You're choking me.
We went for a morning run. He passed out.
Morning run, kwa. She went for a morning run with a man you already drowned in affliction. Hi! Chinekenda. If my brother cannot advise himself, can you not be a good woman and advise him? Can you not?
Jogging is good for his medical condition. He's safe.
Look at your mouth. No. Clean it. How is this good for him? No, how is it good for him? No, this is your plan, eh? Hey, you want to finally kill my brother so that nobody will suspect you. See the way you're going. Jogging.
God forbid. Nothing will happen to my husband. He is safe.
Let me go and see my brother. Man, okay? You see you. I will deal with you. In this house. Chile.
Ogini, where are you running to?
Osita, this morning he was running with his wife and he fainted.
Fainted?
Yes.
What happened?
John,
Is it not Osita that came back yesterday? I even heard that his sickness started again. When did he get well to start running? Who is pursuing him?
Uncle, I don't know. That can only happen to a man who married a stupid wife, a brainless woman.
Hey. Where is he now?
All an ass chemist.
He's so handsome. Such a loving husband figure I had always wanted in time past. But he never came forth. Your wife is lucky to have you. But I know I still will because you're back now. I really love his body.
Hola, how is my brother?
He's better. He's just resting. He will soon wake up. Don't worry, he's fine. Ichie, good afternoon.
Nurse, how are you?
Odimasa.
You said he has been stabilized.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good.
What kind of problem is this? What kind of problem is this now, Kai?
But you people should have allowed him to rest a bit.
It's not me, oh. It's that stupid wife of his. That Momo woman. She's the one, oh.
But what exactly is even wrong with him? Because I don't seem to understand what she mentioned.
Do I know? Olana, I don't know. The same stupid woman. She's the one that knows what is wrong with him. I don't know what is wrong with my brother. I don't know.
Nkechinyere.
Uncle?
When he wakes up, try and let me know so that I will come and see him. I have somewhere to go to now.
Okay, Uncle. Uncle, are you going to give me money to buy the drugs for him?
Nkechi, I will see you.
Uncle, money, you can't do no kweba. You can't do no kweba. I'm missing the more. You can't do no kweba.
Don't worry. Let him get better first, okay?
Okay, my friend.
Yeah,
Okay, my brother, what kind of marriage is this? Okay, so I'm not doing that one.
How are you?
I'm fine.
How's your husband?
He's fine.
With my mother. Mama, Kainene. She was my friend during our service here in Plateau State.
Oh, Kainene, Kedu. Adim Mama.
Do you live in this village?
No. But she's married to son of the soil. Her husband is Osita. You know, late Mazi Jofo's son.
Oh, Mazi Jofo.
Exactly.
Kedu.
I'm fine, Ma.
Oh, you're welcome, my daughter. I hope you're enjoying our village.
It's okay, Ma.
Okay.
No, we're just rushing to somewhere. I'll hopefully see you again some other time.
Yes, of course.
You're welcome, eh?
Okay, it's good to see you, Ma.
Yes, well done.
Okay.
Enjoy our village.
Thank you, Ma.
Thank you.
I brought you breakfast.
Did you?
Good morning.
Good morning. Is my wife back yet?
No idea. Did she go out?
Yeah, she did now.
Oh.
So, what did you make for breakfast, my sweet sister?
But I made yam and vegetable sauce with chunks of meat.
Hey, Okoy. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that.
But don't worry. I'm always here for you. Anything you want, tell me. I'll do it. Let me go and eat my own.
See, I have to go and empty my stomach. Then I'll come back and pounce on this one.
Let me go and eat.
No problem. Let me go and clear my tummy first. Thank you so much, eh?
Okay.
Wow. This is nice yam with fresh vegetable and meat.
Kainene, my sweet. Did you just come in?
Sweet.
Yes.
Yes. And
Whose food is this?
It's for us. It's Kechi. She made it for us. Let's eat together. Hmm? I'm very hungry.
Sweet. You know you can't have this kind of meal. Because of your medical condition.
Yeah, this is getting boring now. I can't keep eating beans and pap or pap without adequate sweeteners. It's boring and tiring.
Sweet, you have atrial fibrillation and type 1 diabetes. And this kind of meal is not something you're supposed to be eating. What if there's an emergency? Look at our location. What are we going to do? Please, let me just have this one, okay? I'll be fast so I can go and make pap. The right meal you're supposed to be having. You know, go?
I'm tired though. This is like... Please hurry up and make the pap. I'm hungry. I'm hungry, please.
I'll be fast. She can cook. Kechi.
What are you doing? And where is my brother?
He's in the room.
He is in the room. And you are eating the food I made specially for my brother. A man you do not only afflict with illnesses, but with poverty.
Come on, Kechi, why are you talking like this? The meal, the food is good. Yes, I agree, but this is not the kind of food that my husband should be eating because of his medical condition. So I said, let me have it instead and prepare his normal food.
God punish you! EBUBE! Onyala! Papa, talking on! Fool!
What did you just do?
What did I just do? Listen, you deserve nothing good from anybody. Not even for this family. Not in this family. Look at you. I left all this food to the dust for the dogs to eat it. Then you have a pinch of it.
Kechi?
Yes, I said it.
Kechi?
I said it. Kechi, what did you do, brother? What has come over you? What did you do this for? Brother, the fact that this ill-mannered woman...
Can you stop? Kechi, this is a display of hate and irritation towards my wife. What has she done to you? What wrong has she done to you?
Brother, but are you taking sides with this ill-mannered woman?
Are you still talking? Before I close these eyes and open it, get out of here! Get out! I said get out! Are you stupid?
I'm sorry, my love.
No. She will come and clean this. No. Leave it. Kechi will come and rest. You're not going to clean it. Go and rest.
Let me
Don't.
just call because I'm making room.
Okay, let me wait for you here. Wait, Kechi threw away. Don't worry. My sweet. So, all of this is a parcel of land. Are you sure you can do this?
Of course. Anything to keep us going. We're in this together. We have to survive, remember?
Well, I don't want to inconvenience you or stress you out just to make me comfortable.
You are not. It's okay. But it looks like it has never been farmed on.
This is the parcel of land my mother was farming on before she passed away. And I gave it to Kechi. Seems like she just abandoned it.
Anyway, where we're starting from is you standing by. Let me clear the ground, okay?
No, we're in this together. I'm with you.
Ago.
From here.
Ago, why? My sweet wife.
Good morning, no.
Olanna. Good morning. Kedukwan.
I'm fine. I can see you're strong enough to do some farming.
We thank God.
Nah. Well done, no. Thank you. Thank you, nurse.
Odalo.
Take care.
Sweet.
Are you not tired from yesterday's stress?
No, I am not stressed at all. Someone has to cultivate our farmland, and I am the person.
Babe, I don't want you to label yourself too much. Farming is very difficult.
I thought so too. But as it is, we don't have a choice. What can I do? Now listen, all I need from you is to eat and rest. And I promise you tomorrow we'll continue with our routine jogging. Okay?
It's okay. Thank you. I'll try and rest, eh? Well, you take care of yourself, okay?
I will. See you soon.
Careful, eh?
I wish we can find a way out of this.
How are you?
I'm fine. Are you just coming?
Yes, so.
Please, I want painkiller.
Painkiller. For who? Your brother?
For me, I'm feeling somehow.
How can you be having pains when you don't do anything at home? I saw your sick brother yesterday at the farm with his wife. He was clearing and cultivating their parcel of land. And even as I was coming this morning, I saw his wife, and I know your brother will soon go and join her. That's not fair.
Wait, Ola. Are you trying to tell me that you saw my brother and his wife on that land yesterday? The one he gave to me to farm on?
Yes.
And you saw his wife there again today?
It's supposed to be an information.
Nada. Kainene. What is not it? Eh? So it's true. What are you doing on my land?
My husband and I have decided to start farming on it.
Eh? Hey, you don't have shame at all. One shame like this, you don't have.
Nkechi, what has farming got to do with shame?
It's supposed to be a shameful thing for an ill-fated woman like you now. Yes,
God
yes.
forbid.
What is God forbidding? What is he forbidding? It is true. Yes, in fact, your misfortune on 2 feet. Yes. Ever since my brother married you, one problem to the other. In fact, you're unfortunate. You're stupid.
Nkechi, stop it! What have I done wrong to you? Why do you always see negative things about me? Why? I am very fortunate. I am light in your family.
As no. Cheregudi. Mparaka, Tonji, Kotoch. Which one are you? What wants to be family with an ill-fated human being like you? Onye? My friend, get out of my land if I push you. Come on, Nkechi. Move. Nkechi. Daddy, sit down. Oyala, I will hit your head. Move. Nkechi, stop. I'm a stupid blow. I'm a shift to your job. Stop pushing. Move it. Nkechi, stop pushing me. Come on, Sheba. Sheba, Oyala, Onyosh. Stop pushing me. Get out of my land. You want to fight me? Move. Take. See you.
My sweet, what happened? Why are you back so early and why are you crying? My love, it's okay. Who's going to... Ogene, talk to me now. What happened?
Nothing.
What do you mean nothing? You're crying.
I'm just battling with the frustration in my head. Nkechi's troubles is becoming too much for me to bear and I can no longer handle it.
Nkechi? Which? My own Nkechi? In this house? What did she do? Talk to me. Hi. Talk to me now. It's okay, don't cry. It's okay. It's okay. Nkechi. Nkechi is making my wife cry. In this compound. Nkechi. So listen to me. I don't know what is eating you up. But I warn you for the last time. stay away from my wife of life. Do you understand me? Do you understand?
Wife of life, kwa. Who is now your wife of death? Eh? See, I don't have a business with her. No business with her. I'm in my own parts. So you better advise her to stay away from my land.
What land? Eh, Kechi? The land that I gave you to farm on that you abandoned?
Only abandon me. Me abandon. Because I want my land. I don't abandon anything. I want it.
See, let me warn you. Stop being bitter and negative towards my wife. Do you understand me? Marriage comes with different fortunes. Sometimes it's tough. Go get married and see how fortunate you'll be from start to finish.
You've got that woman. No, that woman.
See, don't you ever in your life address my wife in that manner.
She should not look my trouble. You will not shut me up in my father's house. Who am I, mayor? Wife of life until you want to marry him. I love to anything you. She will see Pepe. Also.
Kechi, since you walked in here, you've not said a word. What is the matter with you? Talk to me. What is the problem?
Ola, at this point of my life, I thought I'll be living in the city with my brother. Living a better life. Doing well for myself. But no. I feel like a stillborn.
Why?
I feel like the good things of life will never happen because of the bad luck my brother brought to his life. Everything my father and I worked for in vain. All our sacrifices, everything we did to see Usta through school, wasted. I swear, I would have been saving up for myself while me and Papa were busy working on the farmland and selling off the produce at the markets.
You don't have to regret anything. You don't have to regret any sacrifice you've made for your brother.
I regret every bit of it, Ola. Every bit of it. Because I want my brother. I told him not to get married when he got his first job. But no. At least try to set me up after all the sacrifices I made.
Yes, that's what he would have done, but...
But he didn't do it. He failed. The worst of it all is that he married that bad luck, that stupid woman he calls his wife of life. But look at me. Now he's back to this village. He's lost his job and money to illness. Where does my hope lie? My friend, am I not a stillborn?
God forbid. You will make progress. It's just a matter of time.
How much time, my friend? How much time?
Everything will be fine, okay?
How much time?
Don't worry. All will be well.
Kayene, is this not my stove? Kayene, is this not my stove?
Kechi, I am cooking. And yes, it is your stove.
It is my stove, eh? It is very easy for you to say because you don't know how much I try to survive. You don't know.
Kechi, this is for your brother. And you know he doesn't endure hunger a bit. So I'm cooking for him.
Huh? You're looking at me. Unala, you are mad! You are mad! Nonsense! I will kill you.
You didn't have to do this. It's for your brother. At least for the sake of your brother.
My sweet love.
We will pull through. I know so.
Kainene, are you alright?
You're here.
What is it?
Nothing.
What you are thinking?
No. I was just missing you.
Thank you. I'm here now. Have you eaten something?
Yes. But I was just worried about you. I wasn't able to make any food for you. Kechi's stove, there's no kerosene in it. And the firewood is wet.
So that's what you are thinking of. Don't be worried, okay? I'm fine. I had something to eat at Chief Ekunife's house.
You did? What did you eat?
Fio. Very delicious fio.
Okay, in that case, let's just go inside and rest.
See, I don't want you to be worrying yourself and thinking about anything. Do you understand me? I don't want you to be doing that.
Hey, God has finally answered me. My brother, Chukudi, in London, has finally invited me to come. So, I'll be leaving soon.
Hey, so finally you'll be the one to leave this village to Bodoyibo?
Yes.
UK?
Yes,
to have a better life? Hey.
But don't worry, it will soon get to your time.
Don't even go there. How? How, my friend? When the only hope I had is back in this village with me. He's back here, he's living with me. Eh? Kai! Who knows where I would have been by now? Maybe in one sweet hospital as a nurse. Or in one nursing school. But look at me.
Never late. Don't worry, I'll talk to my brother. I'll tell him about my prospective sister-in-law.
Sister what? I don't understand.
Ibiakwa, do you want to remain in this village?
Achibakwa.
You don't want to go to city?
Hey, when you're my son, I want to go, my friend.
Don't worry, there's nothing my brother will not do for me. Once I tell him about a man, because they've been praying for me. So, the ball is in your court. You don't want to go to London?
My friend, you have it.
In luck, babe.
I got my duru today, mama, yeah, I got my duru today, mama, I got my duru.
What's happening?
Sweet, I don't even know. I've been trying to make the fire, but the firewood, it's not coming up. It's not burning. I think it's a bit damp or wet. I don't even know.
Sweet, I'm hungry. Very hungry.
Hi. Okay, you know what? Let me just go back and check if they'll find anyone that will burn. You go?
Wait. Have you seen Kechi today?
No, I've not seen her. I didn't see her around. Let me just go and check. You go? Let me see if anyone will catch fire, because I've been trying. I've actually been trying.
But how are you?
I'm not fine now. I'm very hungry.
Yeah.
The kind of hunger I'm feeling like this, I've never felt it in a long time.
Sure.
I swear. Do you have anything for me?
From where, Kwano? I don't have. I don't.
The worst is, I don't know where the smell of jollof rice is coming from. What kind of wicked neighbor is cooking this kind of jollof rice that's this delicious and can't even give some to his neighbor?
Maybe it's Danta that is making it. Yes.
What's wrong with you? Why are you bending like that?
But my stomach, my intestine, everything, in fact, everything has scattered. I'm telling you.
It's like this hunger is holding you badly. Yes. Worse than my own.
I'm telling you.
Yay. So what do we do now?
But I don't know. I'm just thinking about my life. I'm even planning to go out and look for a way to pick palm kernel so I can eat. But meanwhile, that palm kernel is just for the meantime to hold body and soul. Because Olana is bringing me food. Yes.
She's bringing you food?
Don't worry. I told her about you. And I'm very sure she put something small for you. She'll be nice.
Kechi, my sister. I know you will remember me.
I cannot forget you. My brother.
So she's on her way coming like this?
Yes.
Let me wait for her now.
You want people to know that we're dying of hunger. Go inside. When she comes, I'll call you.
You'll call me?
Go. I'll call you.
Okay. Please, don't forget to call me.
I will not. Easy, oh. Hunger will not kill us.
Amen.
Do not.
Where did you go? Where did you go?
What food for you?
It's Olana, Kechi's friend.
Olana? How did she know that we are hungry? Did you tell her?
You know, I went to Kechi and I explained to her how hungry I was. Funny enough, she told me she was hungry too. But that her friend was bringing food for her. That was it. I had to wait for the food and the food arrived. Very delicious meal.
Hey, yeah, it's nice, oh. It's really nice.
What do you have in the bag?
Don't worry. Tomorrow, I will make Papa and Okpa for you.
I know.
Morning.
Papa
so we can eat this one.
Yes, so.
Hi, this is very nice of her. She's a nice person, oh.
Thank you.
Sweet, tomorrow I will have to go and thank her. This is really nice of her.
You should.
Really,
knows
really
how to
nice
cook.
of her. Hey, she did well.
You're serious? She came to your shop yesterday to appreciate you for the food.
She did though. Hey, I saw the hunger and stress in her eyes.
Oh, well, no choice. She does not have choice. Do you know she followed some women to one market like that? I don't know where she was going to sell firewood. Yes.
So in that case, she will not be at home, eh? I will have to take the drugs and food to him. What do you think?
Agirani, whatever you deem fit. I did. Where you lead, I follow.
Oh yeah?
Agrimo.
Obi.
He has even eaten. Okay. Tomorrow we'll continue to look for another food. At least you have eaten today. Thank God, oh. Thank God.
My sweet, must I eat beans and pap every day?
No, you mustn't. But firstly, you need it because of your health condition.
Secondly, this is the only thing we can afford now.
And you know it.
Besides, you know how I like my beans? I like it with enough onions. And I like it red with enough oil. Hey, there's not enough oil in these beans now. Why are you doing like this?
Sweet, I understand all this, but this is the only way we can afford it. Besides, you know that this situation is not permanent. It's temporary. In a short while, everything will be okay. You know, go eat.
I have to rush to make it now.
There's this woman I met at the market. She said I should come. She'll sell me abacha and oba at a very low price.
So let me not miss opportunity. Let me rush so I can buy some. You know we need it. Yeah? At least for you.
Okay, no problem.
Enjoy the
It's
meal.
okay. Go safely, eh?
This is where you are. What are you doing?
I'm trying to clean my finger. That thing I went to read there, some things entered inside, so I'm trying to clean.
Oh, sorry, eh? Sorry.
Okay.
So, when exactly is Olanna coming now? Eh?
I'm not sure she's visiting me today.
Is she not supposed to bring food for me? Bring food for us today.
She not your cook.
That should not stop her from being consistent to bringing food. Stop it.
Hey, but I will sit there. I thought your wife made food for you this morning before leaving the house.
See, don't let Olamma know that we have food yet, so that I could always have a taste of her food. Are you hearing me? Cho.
I told you it will work. I told you.
Exactly. This is surprising, oh.
I know my brother too well. See, if my brother makes a decision when he's filled, when he's hungry, everything's scatter. Yes, you know that song that says, that classical song is love changes everything. In my brother's case, is food changes everything. I'm telling you.
Are you serious?
I'm serious.
Hey!
And that is why Kainene does not allow him to get hungry. She fights so hard to make sure he has something to eat because she knows that is his weak point. Yes, sir. Delilah has revealed the secret. So, Mayagri, Asanwa, Omaricha, Achalu, Ugebo, Sweetie, maintain my brother. You now know what to do.
Trust me now.
I know you know what to do. Hey, I'll give him Hey, it just works like that. You know what to do.
I know.
Nurse, good afternoon.
Oh, how are you?
Fine. Give me nylon.
You know what I put
Nylon. I don't sell nylon here.
Madam, you be allergic. Give me nylon.
I don't sell nylon. Now, can you give me nylon?
Okay, give me bulletproof.
Hey! Bulletproof?
Yes, now.
Madam, no shut up. Give me condom. I won't go ta-ta-ta.
Olanna. Good afternoon. You're welcome.
I brought food for you. I just hope you like it.
I will like it. I love all your delicacies. You know how to make them. Come inside, please. Come inside. Go. Come. Go inside, eh? You're welcome.
Thank you.
Come on.
I thought you
You're still eating this one.
See, this is the last portion. And it's your fault. When you immense my appetite with this very rich and delicious meal. So I'm almost done. Please, bring another one tomorrow, eh?
It's nothing. I just want to be by your side, Obim.
Please stop it now. What are you doing? What is this?
Osita, I've always wanted you, remember?
So you can't want me, oh. I have a wife.
I know. I know you have a wife. But I want you to. Since someone has ended up being your wife, I want to be your Agiri. Osita, look. I love and care about you. I care. Please make me your concubine. Let me be your concubine, Osita.
Olana, my wife is my Agiri, my concubine, my everything. Do you understand that? So stop it. Wait, is this the motive behind all this kindness?
No. I've always wanted you. Always loved you, Osita.
Wait, will you stop it? Just let me finish this food. Oh! Oh, sorry. What's wrong with you?
What's that? Stop! What's that?
I said, go away. Take your flask. Get out from here.
What's that?
What is it? Your failed plan happened. Osita just pushed me out. Can you imagine?
What? Why did he do that?
You asking me? How will I know? I just wasted my money, my strength, all my effort in vain. No problem. This is Obadro. I know what to do.
Ola! Ola! Rosita, open this door.
So that's your plan, eh? To lure me into a relationship with Olana.
What plan?
So let me warn you. Warn your friend to stay clear of me. Do you understand me? I have a beautiful wife.
Who is your beautiful wife? That one.
Don't let me beat you.
What are you doing?
I'm warning you. Where are you following?
I'm going to the house now.
My friend, will you follow your friend? Get out.
I'm not going to
Come inside. Let me see.
I'm not.
Come inside. Let me see.
After you don't have food, you are telling her to go away. Why did you say no? You didn't know me, Jack, or not? Okay. No.
What is this?
What?
What sort of food is this now?
Sweet. This is palm oil rice garnished with dry fish. This is the only thing that the sales I made from the firewood can afford. Sweet. We eat to live at the moment. That's the goal. There are better days tomorrow.
Okay.
My friend. Ola, stop. My friend, you have to stop, please. You cannot continue doing this now. What did I do? Because of Osita.
Don't even remind me of that day. I don't want to get angrier. Don't.
Okay, I'm sorry. I will not remind you again. I'm sorry. But you know I was trying to help. Everything I did was because I thought it would help you to be closer to him. That's what I was trying to do. Please don't blame me.
I'm not blaming you for anything. I just want to try and know if I can forget about him.
Eh?
Yes.
Awagiri, are you telling me that you can forget a man you've always been in love with? Someone you've loved all your life? Just like that? Can you do that? Hmm? Please. Someone, Awagiri, on my lecture.
Bola.
Kechi.
Kedu? Hey, Mama.
What are you eating?
Food.
Eh?
You want to join me?
This one has finished now. Oh, you kept my own inside.
No. Except I will ask Olanna. She brought this one for me.
Ola, don't you cook? Why must it be Olanna?
Do I have money? But then let me tell you, it has been Olanna that's been sustaining me in this house. Eh? Especially not now that pests have destroyed our crops. It's not now.
See, I am very hungry. I'm hungry. Eh?
It is time to take my afternoon bath so I can sleep.
Just like that. What about me?
What about your wife of life?
Hey! Inanokwa. Kechi.
Is he actually eating in his dream? Sweet, wake up! Wake up! You're eating in your dream. Wake up!
Is it daybreak yet?
No, it's just past midnight.
Oh! Why now? I was completely hungry and I managed to sleep deep. And now came to wake me up. Why now? Okay, now that I'm up, do you have food for me? You don't. How can somebody come and wake another person up by midnight? You say past midnight and you woke me up. Huh? What kind of wickedness is this? If I do it to you, will you like it? Will you like it? Hi. Where do I even find sleep again now to sleep? What kind of problem is this now? I don't like this kind of thing. What kind of problem is this? No, I am so hungry that I don't mind finishing this food and finishing your beautiful lips. Let me do it one at a time. Let me finish with the food first. You can attack one? This small more. This small more.
These are the few left of my possessions. I just have to sell these off as well. But of what value will this be if I, the user, isn't healthy and fit to exploit? Fashion inspiration is but for the healthy and self-satisfied, and not for the hungered. Off to the market, Jerry. Bim has to eat well too.
Obi, thank you. Hey,
get you kid.
Madam, fine. I didn't know.
Again. Your what?
Olanda said she give it to you.
Eh? Olanda said she give me?
Yes.
Hey, thank you.
Look at you now, look at you.
Thank you very much.
What will I tell her? What message will I take back to her?
Tell her that
Are you thinking it? Should I tell her what I want to tell her? What's in my
you are mischievous. What do you want to say?
I know what you want to say.
What do you want to say?
Ah, don't worry. See, we are the same blood, same flesh, so I know what you're thinking.
Okay, no, when you come back, come and see me. I will count the money first now. My friend, go away.
So I should go back to her.
Go back to her and do what?
Let me go and tell her what.
Okay, yeah, go and deliver my message, Thank you very much.
You're so funny.
I know. But honestly, I never saw this loving part of you, Olanda. You are so loving.
That is because you never gave me the chance to show it to you.
I know, I will confess I was carried away.
You were carried away by the city girls.
No.
But I still love you.
Aww. And I love you too, Olanda. You know that, right?
So, what should I prepare for you this evening?
Anything, Ola. Anything you want. See, I trust your judgment. Ever since you've been bringing me food, it's been refreshing, not just to my body, because I knew how I was looking before you started feeding me. It's been refreshing to my body and also my soul. Aww. So anything, don't worry. I'm here for you.
Thanks, Obin.
You're welcome, Agrim. You're welcome. Thank you,
Sweet, what's the meaning of this now? We are the ones complaining that we're managing ourselves, and then I'll go out of my way to prepare something for you to eat. You allow it to sour.
I'm sorry.
This is not the first time you're doing this kind of thing. It's not fair now. Why?
Take it down now. It's smelling now.
I'm not the one that is making it to smell.
I'm sorry.
If you eat it, will it smell?
I'm sorry.
It's not fair. You keep doing this all the time, and you know that we're just managing ourselves.
Take it down. Take it outside now. It's smelling.
I'm OMA Saru. Hey!
No.
You brought her. As usual, I hope it's.
So what are you doing?
I was trying to spread clothes. Come on. Come. My friend. Let me.
So what do we do now?
What is this now? I said I'm sorry. Dispose of it. Okay, you know what? Take it to the market square. Tell them that your husband left a plate of food that you gave him to spoil because there's famine in the land.
Sweet.
No. Welcome.
No, don't worry. Did your husband not tell you we are going for Kingsman's meeting?
He did though. He's dressing up. Let me call him.
Osita!
Sweet. Oh, he's here.
I'm ready. Agrim. No.
Oh.
So you agree? I didn't know.
I brought this little item as my support for the OMA meeting.
Okay, let me put it in a bag.
Okay.
So that it's busy for you to take to the meeting.
Uncle has waiting. Hurry.
Okay, let me be going to my shop.
So, anybody go to agree with Omekania. Hey, was the woman made the woman. Osita. Even them, whatever. Now, always say, okay. Let me even yammer, bro. You're glad a buene. No, Moses, or I forgot to know that when a child.
What?
When will I be free around you?
Free in what sense?
Every agree is known by the man's wife. And she moves around freely with the man without being afraid. Why am I meant to do this in secrecy? Why?
Olana, I know, but this is not a good time.
When will be the good time?
See, you know my wife is not from our village. Therefore, she will not understand this part of our culture. See, I will introduce her to it slowly. Dragging her in suddenly may result in serious problems I'm not willing to face right now.
You don't love me then?
No, don't say that. Olana, look at me. I love you. See, trust me, I'll fix this. And very soon, I'll see you anytime I will. You will see me anytime you will. We'll see each other anytime we will. Okay? Trust me on this. So that's why you've been frowning. Stop it. You're happy now.
Ndewo.
Take him.
Nsogbu adịghị isi nkụ.
Hey.
Okay, ngwanụ.
Won't you help me? Please help me.
Wait, why are you looking like this?
How am I looking?
Why are you looking like a wretched village old woman?
What? My love. Why would you say a thing like this to me? Knowing what we're going through.
What you're going through? Is that good enough reason for you to look like this? Look at yourself. Kainene, it's not good enough reason.
Did you just call me by my name?
What? That isn't coming from you. How can you say that to me knowing the condition we are in? What exactly is going on with my love? He doesn't even eat my food anymore. Oh, God. Please, help me. Help me out of this condition, please, God.
Hola. Are we not forgetting something?
Oh, the food flask.
Oh, hold on. I'll get it.
Ewa! Osita! You!
Uncle, so the elders have finally decided that no member of our kindred will intermarry with members of Obambaezi kindred.
It is not a decision. We just realized that we are connected with them by blood, meaning that we are like brothers and sisters.
Uncle, what about Jidechuku that has lied there since? What will be done about it?
It is a mistake that has been done. The only thing that can be done now is for them to perform some cleansing rites, because they are already married for 5 years with 2 children. Nothing can be done about it.
Hi! Chukudalu. Thank God that I found out now. So I will not be that kind of stupid mistake. Chukudalu. Hey, hey,
Ichie.
Ogini, Munyam Ogini.
Ichie.
What is it?
Where's my brother? Speak up!
Ichie. Osita has committed an abominable act. Hey!
What did he do?
Ichie, do you know I caught Osita and Olana naked on our own matrimonial bed? Ichie, Ikunife. Hey!
So?
But Nosolana is his agiri. So there is nothing abominable about it.
Then, have you been sleeping in the daylight? Why again?
Chere Munyam. Wait, so all this while we were calling Olanna Agiri, even you joined in calling her Agiri, you did not know what it meant. Hey, whoa. Agiri simply means concubine. Yes. So there is nothing abominable about it. Oh.
Uncle, Biko, let me go to the house and answer the chocolate.
I want you to know something. In fact, let another ear not hear this. Go back to your house. Go sit down in a round table with your husband and his agere and plan on how to run the family so that all of you will live in peace and harmony. I am saying this so it does not affect you emotionally. That's how we live. Wanyoma. Wanyoma. Ebes no everyone ebela akwa. Don't cry. Everyone ebela akwa. Okay? Don't cry. Eh? You want them.
I wish you stay longer, my love.
I wish you could. See, you're such an awesome lady to be with. You know that?
Oh. Sweetie, how are you going to handle her?
Who?
Your wife.
Don't worry about that, eh? I'll fix it. But first, I need to thank you again for your delicious meal. You cook.
I'm happy you love it.
I love it.
See, I'll see you later, okay?
Okay, then.
Take care of yourself. Yeah. Alright, bye.
Take care of yourself, okay? Can you make it?
This is too much for me to bear. My heart is bleeding in pains. I don't know what to do. Osita, you betrayed me. I hate to regret my decision to marry you against my parents' wish. I can't go back to my home. My parents will not accept me because I went against their will.
Sama Kanini, how are you? Chimo, what happened? You're crying.
Mama, I'm shattered. My world is broken. It's like the whole world is turning against me. I don't know what to do.
Sorry, my dear. You're not broken, My daughter, Agiri is a name given to a man's concubine. In Otuocha, it is not a taboo. Every man has an Agiri.
Mama, what did you just say? Hey! Hey! Mama, I don't want that for myself. I don't want that at all for myself. I want to see that to myself. Mama, do you know the trauma that I have gone through because of Osita? I was dismissed from my job. I had to be at home to take care of him because of his health. His medical condition. Osita brought me back to this village for him to take somebody else and they call it agony or whatsoever. Mama, that one cannot happen for me. I want Osita to myself. I want my husband to myself, please. My husband to myself. I don't want that.
I know. I was once like you. I was totally broken like you. I too am from Enugu. It was when my husband married me to Otuocha village, then I discovered that he too also has an Agiri. Did not tell my daughter. You just have to take it like that because Agiri is a normal thing in this village.
It's
not normal for me, oh Mama. This is not normal for me. I don't want this kind of thing. Oh. I don't want this kind of thing for myself. I just want only Osta for myself. I can't stand it. I can't stand it, Mama. Look at everything that I gave up. Look at how I am in this village.
My daughter, I don't like the way you're looking. Maybe you should come with me to the house. Your friend Gozie is also at home. Eh? Yeah, come on. Please, let's go. I know. Let's go, please. Because Mama, I don't want this for myself, Mama.
Don't cheat, oh. Don't cheat,
I
oh.
won't cheat. I'm not a cheat.
Okay, now. I really like the way you're moving your hand. I'm telling you.
Yeah, I'm so with you right now. I really.
You're letting me fast now.
Yeah, you trust me well. Yeah.
So, where are you coming from? You left this house since morning and you just walked in as if nothing happened. Did you tell me where you're going to? Did you? I'm asking you, you're staring at me. Answer me now.
Leave her. Maybe she doesn't want to talk.
One more word from your mouth. I am going to devour you and send your carcass to the evil forest.
Can you stop? What is it? Why are you being aggressive now? What is it?
Osita, are you asking me that?
Yes.
Did you hear yourself? Did you just ask me that, Osita? Are you out of your mind, Osita? You just said that to me. Osita, who is this?
She is my Agri.
You agree? What do you even mean by this Agri? What do you even mean?
She's my official girlfriend. And in my culture and tradition, I'm entitled to her. It is not a taboo as a son of the soil.
What a distasteful tradition that you have. What stupid culture are you talking about? What's that? If this your culture is so much into you, why did you not inform me on time? Why did you not tell me? Why? What's that? You made a vow, kept my hopes high up, and now this!
We married in the city, we are now here in the village. The culture there and the tradition here are not the same. She's my Agri. You have to accept it too.
Okay. I'll be leaving.
Okay, so bad.
Take care.
You are a village fool.
I will see you some other.
That's what you are. You are a village fool. That's what you are. You are a fool. Stop it. Osta, if you come anywhere close to me, you are a fool. That's what you are. Stay away from me.
Kenene, you want to fight me? Hey, Akuna Nonia. Akuna no. My wife wants to fight me. Kenene wants to fight. Come and fight me. No, you want to beat me.
William, I want you to know that all of us in this family, we love you. And we have your interests at heart. Whatever decision and action taken by your husband has nothing to do with anybody. It is entirely his decision, which is not wrong anyways. So I want to clear that notion that is in your head. We love you here, and you are one of us. I said that to say that I don't want a repeat of what happened here ever again for whatsoever reason.
Ichie Kunife, I don't have a problem with Osita, your nephew, having an agri since it's a legal practice amongst your people. I don't have a problem with that, but please, I have a question that I would like him to answer to me here and now.
What is the question?
Osita, since having a concubine, or agri as your people locally call it, is an approved practice amongst them, why did you hide it from me?
Kainene, there was no reason to tell you in the city. That's why I did not tell you.
I see. So you lured me back into your village so it will be easy for you to join the practice.
Nwunyem, I don't want you to get this thing wrong. Agiri, like we call it, is an old practice amongst Igbo people. It is true. I will prove it to you. Yes, it is only in this Otuacha and a few communities around us that are bold enough to uphold it. Even your people, they do it. Okay, let me ask you one question. When an Igbo man comes out in a place, what is the first question being asked him? The first question they will ask an Igbo man is, how is your ezi and ono? What is ezi in this context? Answer me. What is ezi? When they ask an Igbo man, what is ezi and what is ono? And
Uncle, Dalo.
Hey, Agirimo, Omuma Saru, NNADI, Mimi. Hey, how are you?
I'm fine. Where is Obim? I brought food for him.
You're always doing. Hey, he's at the backyard. Yes.
Okay, let's go.
I was even going out.
We're almost in your house. So I'll leave you here. Kainene, you are still that beautiful girl I met during our service here. And I missed you when we went our separate ways.
I missed you too.
I know you've been through a lot lately, but you must know this. You are the kindest person I've ever met in my life.
Oh, Kozie, please stop.
Kainene, I've told you this before and I will say it again. I still love you. And if you ever need anything, I will be here for you. And I will do anything, I mean anything to bring back your happiness and make you that very beautiful and bright looking girl again.
Thanks for the walk. I feel alive again.
I understand. Come here.
Let's do it again.
Sure. Bye, my friend.
What's the meaning of this?
Huh? Where are you going to?
Kainene, who was that?
Who was that?
Oh, that. is my arigi.
Your what? Arigi, Agiri, Aki. Agiri. You will not see that. You will not. Man, I didn't get it. You will not do it. You will not do it. Opuraga ora. Ayaga zanza.
When am I going to play?
Wait, like yeah. My friend, for a long time now, you've not said anything about your brother's plan to take you to Bodoyibo.
Kechi, such things don't happen in days. It has to do with a lot of requirements.
Are you serious? But is he making plans?
No, my brother is playing on it. Somebody I told about you, and he promised to add your name in his scholarship list.
Hey! My friend! You see what I keep talking about? You! Are you serious?
Yes, he accepted. Oh. So you're going to Bodoyibo?
Che!
Let's play.
Hey! I don't think I can play this game again. My friend!
I know you're happy.
Che!
My name is Louis, and I'm one of the project contractors to get rid of the insect infestation on the farms.
Oh, welcome to our village.
Thank you very
Welcome,
very
sir.
much. Please, I am in search of a palm wine bar. I'm looking for where to just chill.
There is one by the market square. Oh, yes.
Okay. All right, where exactly is the market square? Because I've been looking for this bar a while, a few hours now. Would you be kind enough to show me where it is?
I was...
Please, if you don't mind.
Okay, I'll show you. Thank you very much. Appreciate that so thoughtful of you. Welcome.
Thank you. And how is life in this village?
Right. My house.
Oh, beautiful place, you know.
Thank you. I live here with my brother and his wife.
Oh, okay. Okay, beautiful place. I really enjoy your company. I feel so elated being with you.
The pleasure is mine too.
It might sound sudden or rather awkward, but real men know what they want. I'd like to spend the rest of my life with you, as if you don't mind.
You wanted me. Hey, you wanted me.
Just take it easy.
Chimumene. Hey, Kechi. So you have finally met a man that will give you leverage from poverty. And he is now so handsome. So, Che. Kechi. You have seen a man that will take you out of this village for good. That will give you peace, give you joy, give you love. Hey, Chimumene. Let the what's here. Look at you. See how tall and fine it is. More for me. Oh, okay. Everything got ahead was marrying. I was so excited. I would not know when God was to bless. When God, hey, Inokwa, okay. This one is somehow. God has given me a special package. Eh? In Okwa. Me, I will not marry a sissy man in this life. She will wear now. Hey. Eh? What is in Copenhagen? Iya madam. Chineke memewo ya. Iya madam. Chineke memewo ya.
Kanene, where are you going to? Don't tell me you're going to see that man again. Kanene, must you see him every day? Don't you have better things to do with your life?
And what business of yours is that if I go out every day?
It is my business because you're my wife.
Osita, it is not your business.
It's my business, Kanene.
I can see him morning, afternoon, and night. It is not your business.
It is my business. As long as you're my wife, it is my business.
It is not your business.
I say it's my business.
I can choose to see him anytime I like.
You cannot do that.
Morning, afternoon, midnight. It is not your business.
It's my business, Kanene. I say it's my business.
Ozugonu, calm down. We can resolve this amicably.
Uncle, I am not shouting. I am not shouting. I just want to know, in the history of a torture community, has any woman ever kept a boyfriend while still living with her husband?
To tell the truth, I have never seen nor heard of such an abomination.
Oh, did you say abomination? Oh, I see. So, because it now involves the woman, it becomes an abominable act. Anyway, I'll be the first person to bring sacrilege to this land.
You will do no such thing.
You lie. Osita, you lie. If you can have your official girlfriend, Agiri, I as well can have my official boyfriend, Arigi.
Hey, not in this house, Kainene. Not in this house. Omame, Uncle, Omame Nuna.
Okay. I'm coming. Let me go and see my Arigi.
Osina Arigi. Hey, Kapa Kolakao. Obakotakwa. Arigi. Agire.
I really can't wait to take you to my mom in the city, show her who I want to spend the rest of my life.
I can't wait for that to happen. Aww. See, I've been praying for it to happen so fast. But before that, you have to come and see my brother, his wife, and Uncle Ekunife. They really love to see you.
But that's not a problem. No, you just pick the date and I'll be there soon enough,
How soon?
Like tomorrow soon, this evening soon, like anytime soon, I'll do anything for my baby. Yes, what? You're so sweet. Oh, come, are you still shy?
Small.
Small? How small? This small or this small?
What do you want?
Is that my baby?
Yes, baby.
Oh,
Omale Chan.
you.
You're beautiful.
Thank you. Obimo! Obim! I think we should stop over at the next market and buy some vegetables so we can make nice things for us to eat.
That's fine. Whatever you want, ask of me.
Let's do this.
Hello, good afternoon. Oh, hi.
Afternoon.
Such a pretty young woman. Hi, my name is Louis, and you are?
Olana.
Olana. Wow, such a pretty rare name.
Thank you.
Wow, actually I came here to get a painkiller. I have a strong headache, you know. Do you have any prescription?
Sure, I do.
Okay, good. Yeah.
Let me get it.
Okay, thank you. Wow. Really beautiful, you know.
Okay. This is perfect.
I hope it's strong.
Yeah, very, very.
Okay. Alright, thank you very much. So, how much would this be?
Don't bother. You can have it.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You joking?
No.
Wow, I appreciate it, you know.
That is my nature.
Oh, well, obviously, you know. Is this how kind you are?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Thank you very much. I really appreciate it. All right, I'll see you some other time, okay?
Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Do you live in this village?
No. I actually came here for a project, and I will be done really soon and out of your faces.
I see.
Yeah. Well, thank you very, very much. I really, really appreciate it, okay?
you.
I'll see you some other time, okay?
Okay.
All right, then you take care.
Bye.
Bye, dear. Bye, dear.
Such a handsome, looking, cute, single guy. What can I possibly do to have him all to myself? Olana. Oh, I know. I know what to do.
Someone is tailing us. Yeah, I suspect it. Alright, you know what? Let's keep going now. I will find out. Okay? Yeah, sure. Alright, let's go. This one is sneaking up on us. Olana, or what you call on him?
Because I want to know you better.
You want to know me better? Are you joking?
Kechi? Kechi?
Brother, what is it? Did Olana bring me food today? She did not come here. I have not seen her.
What about my wife?
I don't know.
Unkwadi Hinama?
I don't know. Jesus.
I know. Listen to you. I need to.
So, brought you home.
I know.
Come here. So I have to go now.
Okay. Have a good evening.
You too. And don't miss me too much.
Well, I'll miss you.
All right, good night.
Okay, good night.
Asikasu wan ya because you boha bam bam only fem ne we ya because we boha bam bam.
Kanene, listen to me. If you like make up from now till tomorrow, you will not leave this house until you fulfill your duties as a wife.
Kindly list them. Let me know the one that I have not fulfilled as a wife.
Okay, first, where is my food?
That's one. What are the others?
Fulfill it right away. Osim and the others.
Okay. Money at hand. If you give me money now, I will rush to the next market around, buy something for you, and prepare a king's food so you can eat. A frown on the face does not put food on the table. Money does. You can hold on to the basket of your agri's food. Or you go into the forest, cut some firewood, sell them so you can make some money and give to me, and I'll prepare some food for you. Hey, Soma. Ah. Bam bam, also koso won't be ya because you boya. Bam bam. Only fem nevi we ya because we boya. Bam bam, also koso won't be ya because you
This man now? Where is this Lewis of a guy? I've been searching for him everywhere. Where is he now? Where am I going to see him? Maybe he has gone now. I don't think he will still be around by now. I'm tired. I'm tired. Why am I even the one looking for a man? Why am I the one in search of a man? Why hasn't he made a step to ask me out? Am I not beautiful? Am I not beautiful? I'm beautiful now. I'm beautiful. Anyway, I love you, Lewis. And I'm hungry for you. Don't worry. I'll meet you. I love you. I'm hungry for you. Okay. Let me keep searching. Wish me luck. Searching.
My elder brother, Osita.
Oh, wow. You have a lovely place here.
Thank you. Brother, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Kechi.
Good afternoon, sir.
Who is this?
His name is Louis. He's my fiancé.
Okoy. Such a handsome young man.
Thank you very much.
Please, go inside and prepare food for us and bring, eh? Hurry up.
I will look for something for him. Let me bring you cola.
Okay, thank you.
My brother, please sit down.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, eh?
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
You don't look like you live in this village.
No, I don't. I stay around. Yeah?
Here we are.
Oh, I think I've been here before.
You have?
Oh, yeah. I met her, an old fair lady, right?
That means you have seen my friend, Olana, my beautiful friend.
Oh, wow.
Yes. Ola! Ola!
Well, okay. Hey. Yeah.
Hola, Miss Luz, love of my life. My fiancé. We're getting married soon.
Wow.
Yes. My love, so many things about us, but
Yeah.
I will tell you other ones
I
later.
introduced myself to her before.
Oh, really?
You know, I met her before, so. Yeah. But nice to meet you again, Olana.
Yes.
Nice to meet you.
What's going on? We've not seen you for days. Duty calls, you know.
Kechi, you see, I've not been feeling too well, so I needed to rest.
So how are you feeling now?
I feel a lot better. Don't worry, I'll come and see you soon, okay?
Julia?
Yeah.
Okay. My love.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, then, Olana, I wish you speedy recovery. Okay, get well soon,
Get
alright?
well soon.
Alright, so babe, can we go? Alright, then you take care. Alright, then.
No, this is not happening. Hey! Oh no. What is going on? And I'm falling in love with him. How am I going to do this? Hey! What is Kechi doing with him? What is she doing with him?
Olana, what do you call your name again? What is all this? You know you're not supposed to be here, right? What are you doing here? Wait. Are you stalking me? Well, okay. What exactly do you want from me, Olana?
So, what do we do about the situation now?
I suggest we debunk the plan. Just dissolve these ladies around me. Look at Kechi. Kechi is madly in love with me. She probably got ensnared by my words. It's okay. And Olana, on the other hand, she's busy stalking around the whole village. Just to profess love to me. Can you imagine? Isn't that what you wanted?
Of course, that's what I wanted.
So,
hey, I'm just trying to process the whole thing and imagine how Kechi will react by the time she finds out that her fiancé has a prospective Agiri. Hey, a norm in this their village. Your village.
in your village.
Count me out. Count me out. Ikokwa. Hey, Kainane, you have to accept my offer and come with me to the city. Be cool.
What? Why are you changing this topic?
I think we should leave this thing you're talking
That's
about.
what we're talking about.
He's not changing the topic. This is what it is.
Yeah, it supports me
That's
now.
what it is, man.
Brother, are you okay?
How can I be okay when I slept on an empty stomach? Eh? I'm hungry. The hunger, like my tummy is paining me. What's even going on? Olana has not been here in a while. Why?
She said she's not feeling fine, but that she's getting better. Eh? What are you going to do now? Because I came out here to tell you that me, I'm cold. I don't know what is happening to me. I cannot go to the kitchen to cook anything now. And I have just 2 OMA that I want to eat. So
2 OMA?
I don't know what to
Bring it now, bring it. I need to eat something. Have fun at time, go.
Can you bring it now? What do I now eat?
I will share it now. I take 1.5, you take half.
Ibu is Ibu mad, brother. You will take 1.5 in my upper. Then me, I will not eat what? Half.
Sorry. We'll share it 1-1, please.
I'm not giving you that upper. I keep it for myself. Which one is give you upper that I kept myself? Oh, will I eat?
Please now. Catch him. One wine. Picono.
When I'm going to sleep, I kept saying I'm not feeling fine. Telling me to give you my, but I say for myself. What will I eat when I'm hungry?
No.
You just wait. When I want to eat, I'll give you some more. Go and lie down.
Lie down, what? Kechi. Stop now. Kechi.
Good morning, Auntie Ola.
Good morning. Do you want to buy something?
No, Mr. Lewis said you should meet him at Negozi's house at 11:45 a.m. He awaits you.
Lewis, he wants to see me. Tell him I'll be with him soon.
Okay, ma'am.
Lewis wants to see me.
Stop now. Where do you even know you're going? See, listen. Can resolve this? Leave me. Leave me. You're my wife. I can't leave you.
I say leave me.
No, stop now. Why are you doing this now? Let's resolve this now. Listen. Please. Please, don't leave me. Please, I beg you, my sweet. Don't go. See, I swear, I will never do anything that will hurt you. I will never make you cry. Please now. Please.
Osita, let me ask you. Who do you want? Is it Kainene or Sweet? Because I don't understand.
Hey, I want my sweet back. Baby, please forgive me. I don't know what came over me. I don't know. Please, forgive me.
I have forgiven you a long time ago. But you see Kainene, she has to go. Goodbye.
No. Please, if you are forgiving me, then let my sweet stay. If Kainene wants to go, let my sweet stay. Don't go now, please. Kainene, wait now.
Che. Hey, Omali Chamba. Egovino. Hey, Chimawene. Brother, can you not hear me? Check me out now. You have a very beautiful sister. Beauty without measure. Beauty without measure. Brother, why is your face like that? You're even crying. Ogini.
I lost my queen. Kainene has left.
She left? Hey. But it's okay. It's okay. Let me go and see Louis, my love. I'll be back, oh? Let me just see Louis, my love. But it's okay, stop calling.
You're every woman's dream, Lewis. And I love you from the depth of my heart.
Aww. Anyways, it's fine. Yeah, the only way I can have you as my concubine is because your friend Kichi is my prospective wife. You know that, right?
Olana, what are you doing with my lips? Huh? Ola! I've always known that this has always been your plan, to ruin my relationship with Louis. You snake!
Just calm down, Kichi, okay? This is uncalled for, okay?
This is called for because I know she forced her way through to you. This girl can love any man she wants to herself.
Listen, she's not my wife. You're my prospective wife. Like, I can only have her as my agiri, that's all.
No. No way. That will never happen.
Just calm down, okay? You are the person I'm going to get married to, so why are you fighting all of this?
What difference does it make? What difference does it make? Do you have a body more valuable for me as the wife and a lesser value for the so-called agiri? Tell me, Louis. Louis.
Just stop it. Just stop.
Why? Why have you decided to hurt me from the moment of courtship? Why, Louis? I don't want any agiri. I want to have you all to myself.
It's not what you're thinking.
Share you, no. No.
What's going on here? You see, what goes around comes around. Look at you. Nkechi, did you see it? This is how much hurt I felt when you took your friend, Olanna, to my husband, Osita. This is how much hurt I felt. It's nothing compared to how much I felt. Louis, thank you. Thank you so much.
Kainene, did you bring a man into my life to break my heart? Hold on. Louis, is this a setup? Did you come into my life to hurt me? Did you come in disguise?
Kechi, this is just practical for you to know what hurt feels like. It's nothing compared to what happened to me. This is nothing. Look at you, all shaky and crying. Did you think of that?
My sweet. Oh my God. Thank God I saw you. I'm so sorry. Forgive me. I know I did you wrong. I hurt you. But I'm sorry. From the depth of my heart, I apologize. The things you went through, no other woman could have gone through them for me. I'm sorry. I know I put you through so much, but I swear I will never, ever put you through anything that will make you cry again, anything that will hurt you. I know you went through so much when I was ill. You lost your job. You took care of me. I am sorry. You are the best woman I could ever be with. The only woman that understands me, the only woman that takes and conceals my silly weaknesses. Please look at me. Please. No, you can't go. I will die. I don't see myself living with another woman. You're the only woman that I want. The only one that can stay with me. You've been through so much, but I know I hurt you. But think about all the things we've gone through. You can't throw away the bathwater with the baby. I'm sorry. We've been through so much. You can't leave now. I will die. Who's gonna take care of me if you leave? Kainene, who will take care of me? Please don't go. And I'll make you the happiest woman in the world. Please. Please forgive me. No. Look at me. Look at me. I am sorry. I am sorry. Please don't go. You can't go. Not to give it to Obiako. Give it to Kechi will take that one.
Kechi will take it?
Yes. Please, because going back to we are going to have a good time. Hey!
I know, right?
No, this one. No. This is
just put it.
Give my shirt. It's going. It's going. It's going.
want to leave me here and travel.
Kechi. Don't worry, I'll be visiting, eh? Don't worry. My sister.
Let me help you carry your bag.
Oh, thank you.
This one too.
Oh.
Yes, just catwalk. No, you carry it.
Eh? What's not again? Eh. Oh, I'll put the mama in a wrap, eh?